Well, we're about to go into the new Coventry railway station. That's United Kingdom. First of all, thank you for watching, liking, sharing and ringing the bell. And as it's a very windy day, a special thank you for all those who have subscribed. And if you're one of those who would love to subscribe on a very windy day, well, please do. And let me tell you, there's a bonus. You're going to make an old man quite happy. There we go. All a brand new station. Look at this. That's all right, isn't it? Oh my word. Lights are a long way up.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 15:43 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh. Calling at Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Sandwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Crewe, Warrington Bank Key, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 11...
It's all very smart, isn't it? Oh my word.
Passengers for Haymarket should board the front 9 coaches. You can find a shop in Coach C for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class accommodation at the rear of the train. This service
There's not escalators here, but there's lots and lots of lifts.
for a more comfortable journey. We are sorry that the 15:31 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston is delayed by approximately 39 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. Platform 3 from the 15:43 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh. Calling at Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Sandwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Crewe, Warrington Bank Key, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 11 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Haymarket should board the front 9 coaches. This service is expected to be very busy today. Customers with flexible tickets may wish to travel to a different service or a more comfortable journey.
So I came in up there. So, well, now you've had a bit of a look at the station, I'm going to look for when my train's coming. So, bye for now. This is the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends, saying goodbye and thank you for watching from Coventry Station, United Kingdom.